Okay, so this video is going to showcase the Zingtree application from the marketplace and how we can get data from Zendesk and then also auto-populate data from Zingtree back into Zendesk, but also leverage Zendesk's APIs and our AI components. So to start off, you'll see that Zingtree loaded here on the right-hand side. And you'll notice that some of these fields are empty, so most notably name and reason. And as I step through the flow, these fields will be populated automatically. Now, at the top of this very first node here, we have an AI summary from previous cases. So we took in all the previous cases that were tied to the requester, and we asked to create a summary. Now, it can be as succinct as you want, or it could be as complex as you want, right? You have the full controls of that. We've also decided to kind of resurface the last 5 most recent cases, along with the hyperlink to the actual case itself. So as you step in through the workflow, we gather information. We put the departure date here. And as I step through the workflow, you'll notice on the left-hand side, we automatically populated my name and then the reason, right? This is all mapped from Zingtree to Zendesk. We step through and again, collect more information to the next best action for the agent. And at some point in the workflow, we're going to need to make a decision on this particular PNR, right? Does the customer want to proceed or not with the changes? If they want to proceed, then what we're doing is we're making an API call to the source of truth, right? The data repository about this PNR to understand what they've purchased, right? And is there an upsell capability, right? So we run that through our AI actions node, we call it. And if based on the data that we have from the data source, we're seeing here that this is a long haul flight and they haven't added extra baggage yet, right? Would you like to add some additional baggage allowance, right? So this is basically an upsell on the ancillaries. We also chose to display the reasoning for the AI here, but this is not something that necessarily needs to happen. And that's pretty much it. So you go through the workflow and then you just guide the agent through the next best action. You incorporate some AI into it, and then you just automatically update the fields within Zendesk for a quicker resolution time.